Ursha, baby.
I just wanna get your attention.
Hey girl.
I really wanna be all up in your head.
Yeah.
Cause what I got, you gon' wanna get some. Yeah. But girl, that's only if you ain't scared. And I won't knock, won't ring no bell. You just put that bottom up in your head. I'll get you hot, I know you want so well. And when I walk in, all that I want is you say, Daddy's home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this loving all day. You know your daddy's home and it's time to rest. Yeah, so you ain't got to give my love away. So all my ladies say, hey, 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 daddy. So all my ladies say, hey, 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 daddy. I ain't gotta do a lot of flexing. Shawty, you already know what it is. And girl, tonight we're gonna do a lot of sexing.